fun times. Trim is gonna go up. A little before here. How's it coming?
Good. 47.5/8
of your handiwork.
I use one tube of this caulking on this one door.
Wow. Are we gonna need more?
We'll see.
I don't know if you guys remember the videos of the dead bugs in the windowsill. Well, one of our friends told us every fall they come back and it's just like an infestation. They're back. Look at these guys. Oh, they're everywhere. So I have a solution of soap, water, and essential oil orange because they apparently hate citrus. So let's see if it works. All right, I did it. Doesn't seem to do much except for just make them fly around and attack me. Oh well. These guys are everywhere. Oh, they hate me. I hope they don't bite. I don't know if this is doing anything.
Today's project is making shelves for our closets. None of the closets have shelves or bars or really anything in them, so we're making them from scratch. I have two of them cut already. Those were the easier ones. This one is for the guest closet. It's a giant closet, so we're making kind of like this U-shaped shelf for it. And the problem is this closet is not square by any means. So we have to make a square point in the center. I've already cut the outsides and now I need to make the notch for the U-shaped thing. Today is going to be a little bit of a rough day because I am feeling under the weather, but I'm still going to try to get at least the shelves made today. So we'll see how it goes. That more or less went to plan. Now we have a U-shaped shelf. Now I gotta clean it, test it, and finish it.
Don't mind the mess, but a boob light is departing and a new light is coming. Look at that light. I'm so excited.
Really?
Still on. Oh, yeah! It's off. Now it's on. Now it's off.
Make sure I get the right one properly, but I can deal with the ground not being done properly.
Yeah. Head on to the baby's nursery. Although she may like the boob light, I do not like it. Hold the baby things. Not as many dead bugs on this one.
Screws actually look to be in decent shape on this one too.
Good. Ready? Oh, wow, that is bright. Wowzer nickels.
Oh, that's great, man.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I could definitely rock her to sleep in this light.
Isn't that great?
That'll be fantastic.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
beautiful light. Love that. It feels like it was built very cheaply, but I love it.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be like we're in the inside of a honeycomb.
Oh, it's upside down there. Half an hour for that and it's done.
Another light done. Ooh, yay. 3 down. I think 4 more to go. Okay. We are putting the film on the baby's room for privacy. Make sure our heads aren't cut off. There he goes. Wow, it's magic.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
It's on the inside.
No, you just touched it.
It's a piece of hair.
Well, no, now you gotta go clean it
I
again.
just washed it.
Yeah, but then for some reason, you touched it.
Because there was a hair on it.
Well, yeah, but there's no reason to touch it.
Well, we don't want any. I got the pop prints off too.
Good, thank you. They probably still need the brush of paint.
Yeah.
Good. Did it.
Woo! How to get a video of this shelf update?
The one video in the saga. Thank you for joining us for this one video of the shelves. Thank you. It means a lot to me and all my hard work.
There'll be more.
The next one you see, they will be done. For probably about a year.
All right, another update of the closet. Look at this progress that's been made. Very nice. There's this shelf. Need some touch up. Very good. Of how he's putting this in. But it's working.
Ooh.
All right, the closets are done. That means this mess is getting cleaned up. We had to empty out our main closet and just throw everything on the guest bed. So we're gonna clean it up. Much better. And all of our stuff has a place to go.